Hi guys and girls and everything in between. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Cruella Star. Welcome. Hey, what's going on? So today is going to be another makeup tutorial. I want to get back into doing them again. I've missed doing it. And so this is going to be quite a soft, glamorous, a bit grungy, a bit romantic kind of look I'm going for today. It's kind of winter season and I feel like we can get away with red lips more and darker colours. But on the eyes, I kind of wanted to keep it simple and cute. I wanted the focus to be more on the skin and the lashes and the lips, obviously, and the brows, rather than just the detailing of the eyes. So that's quite simple. I've just kind of done a little smoky-ish brown and then just winged it out with a lash and called it a day. And yeah, I've gone for quite a bold winter glamish look. You can wear this to Tesco's or to the club, wherever you like, wherever you want to feel glamorous, you can rock this look, no matter what your skin tone is. I'm quite a pale bitch, so if you want to see how I create this look, then obviously keep watching. Make sure you subscribe and press the bell button to get notified. Don't worry, I'm not one of those crazy bitches that posts every single day of the week. I struggle to post once a week. So yeah, if you want to see how I create this look, then obviously keep on watching. So the first thing I'm using is the Dermal 500 lotion. This stuff is amazing. It's so moisturizing for your skin. It's got really, really nice properties and ingredients in it. And it just helps the makeup stay on all day. I love this stuff. Then I'm using my NYX pore filler to prime, and then I'm going to use the translucent powder to set my under eye where I put concealer to hide any veins, and I also did my brows off camera. Using the W7 bronzer now, I'm going to basically take a blending brush. This one's from Lydia, which you can get on Amazon. I'm just using that in the outer part of the crease and blending inwards in circular motions to make it look really seamless. Now I'm going in with the Moonlight Pearl highlighter from e.l.f. Love this. It's a baked bronzing, the kind of like silver chrome, sparkly, just everything I love in a highlighter. I'm using that as a lid colour today, and I'm just patting it on with my finger. Going in then with the Urban Decay glitter liners in Distortion. I'm just going to really intensify that color and get some more extra bling bling on that lid, and it's the most beautiful color I've ever used. Using this Makeup Forever palette, you can use any palette with a brown that's soft. I'm just taking this palette because it was there on my side, and I'm using that for the outer part of the corner of the eye, and I'm blending inwards like I did with the transition color, and I'm really blending. Taking the 17 eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner. I love this one. It dries really quick and it lasts you all day. I'm just creating a wing line. Just keeping it cute and on mute today for this look. So I'm just winging it out, literally winging it as well, hoping that this will turn out half decent, because wing liner is probably the most precise kind of form of makeup work. You have to be really quite steady on your hand. As you can see, I haven't perfected this just yet, but we can clean it up later on to make it more sharp and professional looking. And I'm just bringing it into the inner part of the eye now, just to make sure it looks even and not cray-cray. Taking a flatter brush and just a black pressed eyeshadow, I'm setting that in place. I like to do this with any liquid eyeliner because I find that it makes the durity of the product work well. And I'm just taking some Dole Beauty lash glue and some Dole Beauty lashes, and I'm just placing them on the lid. And yeah, I love this lash glue. It's amazing. It dries really quickly, so you don't have to wait for ages. Also, by setting your eyeliner, your liquid liner, you don't have like the risk of it transferring up onto the upper lid if you look upwards. And then taking my Conceal and Hydrate foundation in C1 and Light 41 Kat Von D Lock-It foundation and a Morphe foundation brush. I'm just mixing those two together to make the perfect match and the perfect foundation for me today. And these two foundations are some of my favourite foundations to use. Their shade ranges are insane. The coverage is beyond crazy. So freaking pigmented and good, And I just love it. It's the lastability on both of those foundations. The Lock-It foundation is quite drying on the skin, and I find that the Revolution foundation in Hydrate and Conceal just gives you that extra moisture that the Lock-It doesn't. But the Lock-It foundation is one of my favorites because it's so full coverage and the lastability is just in crazy good. And I'm just placing that all over the face. And I know it looks very pale at the moment, but I'm going to blend it out now with my Beauty Blender. Taking my Fenty Beauty concealer in 100 or fair, basically the lightest shade. I'm just using that in the areas I want highlighted and more coverage and more glow. And I love this concealer, guys. Honestly, purchase it. It is life-changing. It is crease proof, just perfect. Now I'm going to be taking my Conceal and Hydrate foundation stick. I believe it's a concealer stick or foundation stick, I'm not sure, in F5, and that is going to be my contour shade today. And I'm just taking in areas where I want to really contour and chisel out. Taking my e.l.f. foundation buffer brush, I'm just blending the bronzer out now and just kind of blending it in. I find this just makes the product, this brush just makes everything look airbrushed and seamless. Now going back in with my Beauty Blender, I'm just blending out the concealer. And honestly, I cannot speak highly enough of this Fenty concealer. It's my new favorite. I love the NARS one and I really love the MAC ones, and I love the Urban Decay concealers, but this one just tops them off at the moment. Now using my Makeup Revolution London setting powder in translucent, I'm just literally setting everything that's got cream on it so it stays in place all day and doesn't go all cray. And now I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder to bake, and then I'm going back in with this W7 bronzer to contour and to set the cream contour in place. And I love this bronzer. It's so good, and it is like £2 or $2 or 2 cents, not 2 cents, that's like pence. And I just love it. Girl, look at that double chin, honey. You better work. Using my NARS Orgasm blusher. I'm using that as my blusher today. It's one of my ultimate favourite ones. It just suits every skin type. The lastability is amazing. It doesn't budge up or go patchy-watchy. And I love it. I cannot speak highly enough of this this blusher as well. And now I'm just going back in and baking again to really sharpen up this contour. And it would not be a Cruella look without a real sharp contour. I love me a real neat contour. Now I'm just using my eyeliner to kind of get rid of any like powder that's settled in my lashes and any kind of leftover glue. Using my Kylie Jenner lipstick. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll leave it in the link below. I'm using this red, gorgeous lipstick. These are amazing. They can be quite drying at times if you put too much product on. That's why I go in with like a lip brush, and I'm just detailing the lips more. But I love Kylie Jenner's liquid lipsticks. They are so good and smell so nice. Using my Collection 2000 eyeliner, I'm using that in the waterline and just below. And I'm just taking an angled brush to apply it. And I love this Collection 2000 eyeliner. It lasts 24 hours. It's just so good. But with any cream, I like to set with a powder. So I will be going in with a black to set it all. Yes, honey. And I'm blending as I do that as well to make it more kind of blended and clean. Now going in with some Fix Plus from, of course, MAC. I'm setting and forgetting. And then I'm going in with Ice Cold Skin Frost from Jeffree Star. You can see it's busty crusty. I've used and abused this one. I love this product. And I'm just using it in the areas I concealed. So the high points of my face, my cheekbones, my nose, and my Cupid's bow, and my forehead. Then using my Mega Volume mascara from L'Oreal. And then we are done, you guys. Yes, honey. And now I'm feeling my roots, feeling my oats, feeling pussy and feeling cunt. Yes. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Stay Tinylicious and stay true to yourself. Bye.